Hi there, I'm Gareth Thomas, the Senior Project Officer for the LIFEquake project. We're here today on a very sunny Crymlyn bog, inspecting the work that's being carried out by our contractors in preparation for the new invasive species control season. It's the beginning of March, and it's really important at this time of year that we prepare the ground ready to take control of coming Himalayan balsam growth season. And this is the ideal time before nesting birds come into sight. We're not disturbing anything, and it's also the time of sort of minimal vegetation growth. We know already this area of the site has a major problem with Himalayan balsam. It comes in from the streams, from the surrounding hills, it floats in on the water and then gets deposited on the bog where we're stood. Control of Himalayan balsam takes a considerable amount of time. It's not a one-hit fix. The process takes place over a number of stages. So the first thing we have to do is come in and clear the ground like you can see around me now. Probably April, May onwards we'll see a really heavy flush of Himalayan balsam growing up around us, where it will totally dominate the underlying vegetation. As you can see here, we've already at the beginning of March seeing the first Himalayan balsam seedlings appearing. When we get that first flush and the balsam has grown up above its first nodule and is maybe 20 to 30 centimeters tall, we'll bring the contractors back into the site and trim the ground back to completely clear again. This makes a really big impact on that initial flush from the seed bank. A few weeks later again, then we'll see a second stage of balsam coming up, which we will probably attack again, trimming, brush cutters in a small team of contractors. Towards the end of the growing season, but before we reach sort of flowering and seeding of the plants, we'll start bringing in our team of local volunteer groups. The hand pulling is a really satisfying process on a nice sunny summer's day, getting a group of people together and working around to fight the tide of Himalayan balsam within the site. We have people from within the organisation who like to come and get involved, but we're also open to other groups coming down here and seeing the site and doing their little bits to help tackle the problem here at Crymlyn Bog.